Want to know if you're manifesting correctly? Watch this video and I'll give you 3 steps you can use to check whether you're on the right track or not. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kenneth Wong, self-help book author and manifestation coach. My channel is all about self-help, manifestation, and spirituality. So if you're a fan of any of these topics, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Today's video topic is on how to know if you're manifesting correctly or not. If you want to manifest what you want, you have to focus on the presence of your desire and expect it to come. And an easy way to tell whether you are satisfying these 2 conditions or not is by the way that you feel. Focusing on the presence of what you want always feels good, and focusing on the absence of what you want always feels bad. So what this means is that feeling good means that you're in vibrational alignment with your desire, and by the law of attraction, your desire must come to you. So follow these 3 steps and check whether you're manifesting correctly or not. Step 1 is to think about your desire and notice how it feels. If you're manifesting multiple things, then just pick out one desire and focus on it for a moment. And then ask yourself, how do I feel right now? And you really want to keep your answers simple here. Do I feel good or do I feel bad? Do I feel positive or do I feel negative? Feeling good is a sign from your inner guidance system that you are in vibrational alignment with your desire and you are attracting it into your reality. If you think about your desire and you feel good or positive emotions, it means that you're dominantly thinking about the presence of your desire and you believe that it will come to you. But if you think about your desire and you feel bad or negative emotions, that means that you're dominantly thinking about the absence of your desire and you don't expect that it will come to you. Step number 2 is to check whether you're focusing on the presence or the absence of your desire. In other words, are you manifesting the presence of what you want or the absence of what you don't want? For example, if you're manifesting financial abundance, you can either think, I want to be rich, or I don't want to be broke. Now, to someone who's not familiar with the law of attraction or manifesting, these 2 statements may sound quite similar, but there's a huge vibrational difference between the 2 statements. The first statement is focused on the presence of what you want. The second statement is focused on the absence of what you don't want. And the law of attraction always brings to you the essence of what you think about, whether you want it or not. So when you think about the absence of what you don't want, you're actually manifesting more of what you don't want because your focus is on what you don't want. So thinking about not being broke will actually manifest more outcomes that support your lack of financial abundance because you always get what you think about, whether you want it or not. So what this means is that you can't focus on what you don't want and get what you do want. So it's really important to focus on the presence of what you want rather than the absence of what you don't want. The final step is to check whether you expect your desire to come or not. In other words, do you actually believe your desire will manifest or do you have doubts? And a quick way to check whether you have doubts or resistance against your desire is to see if you're following up your desire with any but statements. For example, I want that new car, but it's too expensive. Or I want that new job, but the interview process is too competitive. Or I want that relationship, but I suck at dating. All of these but statements are indicators that you don't really believe that you will manifest what you want. And if you don't believe you can manifest what you want, you won't be able to manifest it. In order to manifest what you want, you have to expect it to come. So instead of creating resistance with all these reasons why we can't have what we want, we have to support our desires with reasons why we believe we will have them. For example, you can say, I will get that new car because I'm the creator of my own reality. Or I'll get that new job because I always get what I want. And I'll attract that partner because I'm worthy of love. So anytime you think about your desire and you're tempted to follow it up with a but, just switch it to because to unblock the resistance to what you want. And that's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, just leave a message down below. And if you want more help on manifesting, then just click through the links in the description box for more helpful content on manifesting. And as always, thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you in the next one.